No. I won't be suggesting you some 50, hundreds of products for this Nykaa Pink Love sale. I will only be suggesting you the products that I found on a massive and unusual discount and are of really good quality. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Supurna and I make content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be sharing my super selective Nykaa Pink Love sale recommendations. I'll also link my previous Nykaa sale recommendations videos so that you can refer to those as well. Most of those products I still love, so I'm not going to repeat all of those in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. I know it's been quite some time since I sat down and made a long format video because I was traveling in the month of December, and also for my birthday I traveled in the first week of Feb. I just came back 2 days back and I sat down here to chit chat with all of you, sharing my recommendation video. This is my butterbeer mug that I got from the Warner Bros. Harry Potter Studio Tour London, in which I only drink my Coke Zeros or buttermilk. Without getting distracted, let's get started. We should wear sunscreen every day in spite of which season we are in currently. Especially the summer is approaching very soon. It's very hot nowadays already. I can't believe this. Anyway, we'll start with some amazing sunscreen recommendations. For oily skin people, I know to pick that perfect sunscreen is a task because you need that super lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen. I have got your back. This is your best friend. It's the Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen, light and matte. Now, all of my sunscreen that I'll be suggesting will have SPF 50 plus, PA++++, no white cast whatsoever. So I'm not going to repeat these again. See the texture of it. It's so lightweight. Now you start. Oh, even before you start to blend, it just gets absorbed into your skin so quickly. And see this. It feels nothing on my skin. It's super lightweight, gets absorbed super quickly and leaves a very matte finish as well. So perfect for oily skin people. This is actually, so for your reference, I have a combination skin type. This is my summer sunscreen. I was not using this during winter. I was using a thicker sunscreen, which I'll be talking about in exactly 2 minutes. But this is what I will again go back to during the summers. For normal to dry skin people, it's the Beauty of Joseon's Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. I'm already on my second tube because I have finished this. I was carrying this during my Europe trip because it was extremely cold there and I needed something super moisturizing and very glowy. And this provided what I exactly needed. It is so moisturizing. Now, as I have combination skin type, I skip my AM moisturizer. I only use this particular sunscreen after my serums. So I do not wear my moisturizer. This acts as my moisturizer plus sunscreen because it's very moisturizing. It can be heavy for oily skin people, but dry skin people are definitely gonna love this one. It works beautifully under makeup, no pilling at all, and my makeup actually glides on like butter. It really preps my skin for makeup as well. See, as I was talking to you all, got absorbed into the skin so quickly without leaving any white cast. But look at that glow. Now we are in that era of skin tints, right? And even for our sunscreen, sometimes, most of the times, most of us want that perfect tinted sunscreen that will act as your base makeup, sun protection, moisturizer, everything. And I have the perfect product under rupees 500 for you. It's the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen. This comes in 5 different shades. I know a lot of the tinted sunscreens which are amazing but comes in only 1 or maximum 2 shades. I don't know how that works. But this comes in 5 different shades. It gives you a good amount of coverage considering it's a tinted sunscreen, and also a dewy finish, which is in trend right now. Just look at that coverage and the flawless dewy finish. I hope you all can see the difference already. Dot and Key, I don't know how you made this product, but great job. Keep it up. Feels super lightweight. To pick that correct moisturizer according to your skin type can be really challenging. It can feel heavy or dry, but I have got your back. For combination to oily skin people, I have this one for you. It's the Simple Hydrating Gel Creme. Though it says for dry skin, but this is perfect for oily skin people because it's in a gel format. And look at this. It's extremely lightweight, gets absorbed into your skin completely and gives you that perfect moisturization that you need. It got absorbed so quickly. And it feels super lightweight also on the skin. Honestly, for dry skin people, I don't think it will be sufficient. I have a combination skin type and I absolutely love this one. And if you have extremely oily skin, you can just go for this one, which is the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's extremely lightweight, non-greasy, gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. For normal to dry to extremely dry skin people, you are gonna thank me later if you use this particular one. It's the Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra. I'm almost about to get done with this. Also, it's perfect for sensitive skin as well. This is so moisturizing. This is the perfect moisturizer to prep your skin with from before makeup, especially for a full face of makeup. All those heavy duty full coverage full coverage foundations will glide on like butter without making it look cakey or patchy. As I mentioned earlier also in my previous videos, that this is what my professional bridal makeup artist also recommends all the time, that this is what you should be using before makeup. Look at that glow. Now, this is not at all a lightweight moisturizer. So oily skin people, you might want to avoid this one. Let me show you the difference. Here I am putting the Simple Gel Creme. Oh, so lightweight after this. I hope you can see the difference. This is Simple, this is Bioderma. We all need that perfect mask that will help in terms of detanning, getting the glow back, unclogging our pores and everything good. And I have the perfect one for you under ₹500, which is this Foxtail one. It's the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. I have already finished one and I'm about to get done with the next one as well. It's a beautiful purple clay mask. Most of the clay masks start to feel extremely dry right after 5 minutes of application, but this particular one, it doesn't make your skin feel dry. It cleanses the pores and gets that glow back to your face whenever I use this one. I was also carrying it on my Goa trip because I was in the sea beach and just to get rid of the tan, and I feel it's the sunscreen and then this particular mask which really helped me in terms of not getting tan too much during my Goa trip. So if you're looking for a great face mask at an affordable price, go for this one, you will not regret. But one quick disclaimer for this one is it has a good amount of fragrance to it. So if you are having sensitive skin or if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might want to avoid this one. Now I have some perfume recommendations for you all, starting with some affordable perfumes. First one is a very recent one. I actually got my hands on this today. I spritzed this on me and I was in love, and even my husband was asking me, which perfume is this? It smells so good. I'm like, wow, that means this is amazing. Because you know how boys are, they barely notice any fragrance, anything. But then he noticed this. I'm like, This is the Plum Body Lovin's Moon Kissed Drama. First of all, I love the bottle, how it looks. So classy and feminine it looks. I love the purple color. It's a very fruity, floral and musky fragrance, like basically mixed of all three. It lasts really long. I'm super impressed with this one. It's long lasting. It smells amazing. They also have this in 2 more variants. I think one is that the OG vanilla one. Can't stop smelling. Also, this makes a perfect gifting option as well. Now, speaking of gifting option, I have this particular set for you all. It's from Bella Vita. I am in love with Bella Vita perfumes. They are so affordable yet smell so good. I've actually gifted this particular perfume set to one of my friends, and I have got this the same gift set for myself as well, because I really want to try all the fragrance. This particular set has all these 4 fragrances in it, but they also have the full size of each fragrance available. Senorita is a very close dupe to the Versace's Bright Crystal perfume, which was also my wedding perfume. I absolutely love that one. I would say it's 80% close. This is more on the floral side. Even this particular one is a very famous one, Date. Basically, this whole set is all floral and musky fragrance. Very feminine, very nice. And I have 2 fragrances in the luxury category. Now, I feel you should pick up any luxury perfumes during these sales. Of course, when you travel at the duty free, because there you get at least 15 to 20% discount. If not, you can pick those up during these sales. Like right now, I have seen some of the fragrances, like some of the luxury fragrances, they are having 10 to 15% off on them. On top of that, there is some 10% off coupon code. It's available on Nykaa for luxury perfumes. So make sure you apply those additional 10% off while checking out. Then you'll be getting the similar kind of 15 to 20% off overall on that perfume ghar baithe baithe without traveling. The first one is this particular one from Lancome. Now, for your reference, I am not a gourmand scent kind of person. I do not like fragrance that is too sweet. I like fragrances that is more on the floral plus musky side. Now, I don't like fragrances too floral either. I like floral plus musky. The moment I smelled this one, I was in love. I will pop the notes here. Smells so classy. A very long-lasting perfume, I must say. Also love the bottle. So chic it looks. The next one is a very famous one. Carolina Herrera. First of all, this packaging. Classic Carolina Herrera's packaging. It just makes your vanity look super luxurious and sassy. So I like this particular one because it's very floral and musky. Not too sweet. Again, very long lasting. Let me put this on. I love the fragrance. It's actually their new launch. I smelled this during the Nykaa land, and I was in love. I came back and I picked it up during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Good discount, like the 10% plus 10% coupon wala discount. Both of these are super long lasting. Now in the makeup category, I have 2 eyeshadows to recommend for. First one is this Huda Beauty one. It's the mini nude eyeshadow palette in the variant medium. A perfect daily wear color combination. It has shades of browns and pinks, mattes and shimmers. Beautifully pigmented. We all know how good Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes are. Comes with a mirror, compact packaging, perfect to travel with. I have been traveling with this one only. I literally swear by this particular palette, and right now it's available at a 40% discount, so you should definitely check this out. And I really think if you have the budget and if you're planning to get one eyeshadow palette, you should get this one. Next one is a super affordable one. It's actually known to be a dupe for this particular palette. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's their ultimate eyeshadow palette in the variant 04. Perfect for daily wear and also for your glam looks as well. Superbly pigmented, like pigmentation wise, both of these are amazing. Great color payoff. I love using both of these. The one thing I feel about this one is it's not a travel friendly packaging, because this feels super flimsy, and also it doesn't come with a mirror. If you're traveling with an eyeshadow palette, I feel it should have a mirror, because in that case you don't have to carry a mirror separately, which is very unsafe. So yeah, otherwise for your daily use at home, perfect. You can use, like right now it's at a 35% off. I think around 214 rupees it's available at. Get this one. Don't think, just get this one. Just get it. Just get it. Right now. Get this right now. I'm still smelling the Carolina Herrera on me. So beautiful. Color eyeliners are in trend, especially the holographic eyeliners. If you are a beginner, you should get this one because super easy to wear, no experience, no technique, no effort required. Literally, you can just draw one line and it will take you right out of game to a different level altogether. Today also I'm wearing, as you can see, right now there are tons of brands who are launching holographic eyeliners. I have used like 3 to 4 brands till date. According to me, Swiss Beauty ones are the best. Glides on like butter, great pigmentation, super long lasting, smudge proof. What else do you need? And right now they're at a 30% off. What else do you need? Around like 300, 310 rupees. So just get this one. Just get this. So I definitely think that you all should get your hands on these or stock up on these if you're planning to, because this summer these are gonna be trending. For mascara, I have one recommendation which I recently came across. I have never recommended this before because I only tried this in December and Jan. I have been in love. I'm talking about the Mars Double Trouble Mascara. Oh my god, I regret of not trying this before. This literally gives me the falsies effect. It gives me length, volume, hold, long lasting staying power, and available at an affordable price. Currently they're available at around 249 rupees if I'm not wrong. So I really think you all should get your hands on this. This is step 1 for length, step 2 for volume. Last but not the least, setting spray. I have been recommending this particular one in every video of mine. I know, but they're really good and I'm on my 3rd bottle of it. I'm talking about the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. If you suffer from cakey makeup, if your makeup looks powdery right after you apply your powder products, or if you think that your makeup is not lasting, first of all, the spray of this is super fine. Look at that. Super fine mist, which makes it super easy to use all over your face. Whenever I feel that my makeup is looking cakey or patchy, the moment I apply it on my face, the patchiness goes off and it makes my base look super flawless and glowy and makes my makeup last super long. I always travel with this one because whenever you travel, you do your makeup in the morning, whole day you'll be out, only at night you'll be back. You really want your makeup to stay put, right? This is what makes my makeup last for the whole day. Also, I have seen so many Indian professional makeup artists using this particular one. Actually, looking at them only, I got my hands on this for the first time and I never looked back. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. Now, you don't have to shop everything that I've recommended in this video or anyone recommending in any video. Please shop mindfully according to your budget, according to your need, according to your skin type. Also, if you need any particular recommendation, please drop it in the comment section. I will get back with the product link for that. You can find all the product links that I have recommended in today's video in the description below. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment down below. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to me and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, shop mindfully and stay happy. Bye-bye.